Hey guys, Disney Collector here, and today I'm gonna show you this McDonald's cash register.
French fries.
Time to open the box and see everything that comes in this box. Here we have the beautiful cash register. On the side here it has a lunch menu. And it has a swivel keyboard. You can press any of the buttons. And this cash register has sounds.
Fruit and yogurt parfait. Hamburger.
Right here, it's showing your total, but it's not digital. Let's check out the rest of the accessories. Here we have a key to lock the cash register. See, it's unlocked. And now we're gonna lock it. This way you can keep your money safe. We also got a credit card, some McDonald's money, some coins. They're stuck together. Let's lock our money. And it's locked. As part of the lunch menu, we got low-fat milk, one hamburger, and French fries. Hello, Peppa Pig. How can I help you? Let me have some French fries, please. Okay, French fries coming right up.
French fries.
Your total is gonna be $2. I'm gonna pay with my credit card. Credit card? No problem. Here you go, Peppa. Your French fries are ready. Yummy French fries. If you're getting anything from the McDonald's menu, just push a button.
French fries. Milk. Cheeseburger. Apple dippers. Hamburger. Happy Meal. Fruit and yogurt parfait. Chicken McNuggets.
Too bad it doesn't give me a price for any of these items. So you're gonna have to punch it in. This is a simple calculator, and everything you see here on the side are stickers. Look, we have a new customer. Hello, how can I help you? Hi, I'm Queen Elsa, and I would like some dessert. Well, Queen Elsa, you're in luck. We just added a brand new section of egg surprises. Let me think. I'll take them all. Alright. Let's see here. We have one My Little Pony chocolate surprise. That's gonna be $1.99. The Peppa Pig chocolate surprise, that's gonna be $2.99. The Shopkin surprise, that's $1.99. Kinder surprise, that's $3.99. And a Chupa Chups from Masha and the Bear, that's $1.99. Your total is $12.95. Credit card? No problem. Queen Elsa, don't forget your Happy Meal toy. This is the latest toy for the month. So adorable, LPS Bubblehead. This little Bubblehead also comes with stickers. Now we're gonna open the toy surprises. First one is the Shopkins Egg Surprise. In this egg surprise, we have 2 Shopkins and 1 Shopkin shopping checklist. This Shopkin is Sneaky Shoe, and this is Sarah Softener. Kinder Surprise. Kinder Chocolate. And the toy. Right here we have 1 flyer. Peppa Pig Chocolate Surprise. Milk chocolate. And inside we have Chef Peppa. She's gonna be the new chef at our McDonald's location. Masha and the Bear Chocolate Surprise. We just got a little Masha. She's a painter. And 1 flyer. My Little Pony Chocolate Surprise. And the toy is Fluttershy. Right here we have a flyer. Now let's make our very own cheeseburger with Play-Doh. Yellow Play-Doh is gonna be for the bun. Brown Play-Doh is for the hamburger. Yellow Play-Doh is for the cheese. Let's make this cheese a square. Good looking cheese. Now we're gonna add some lettuce. For the lettuce, I'm gonna use green Play-Doh. And now the other bun's gonna be with yellow Play-Doh. And white Play-Doh is gonna be for the sesame seeds. This cheeseburger looks yummy. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more toy surprises right here on Disney Collector. Hey guys, today we're gonna open this magic fun doll, Princess and Ponies. So let's see what comes in the box. Here we have lots of tools, molding tools, pieces for the castle, more tools, and here are the cans of magic dough. 1, 2, 3, and 4 cans. Pink, purple, blue, and white. We also have here instructions and lots of tattoos to make our princess and ponies. Here's some stickers, and right here are the instructions. Look at all the different tattoos that we can place in our magic doll. We're also gonna try this in Play-Doh and see if it works. Now, let's assemble the castle. This castle is super easy to assemble. You just have to click the parts. Time to add the stickers. Now just add water in this little tube and we're ready to start molding. Since we have 4 little bases, we're gonna make 2 princesses and 2 ponies. Let's start working in the dough. So here it is, the purple dough. Wow, this dough is so hard. So I don't know if this is how it's supposed to be or it's because it's dry. So now we're gonna use the roller and roll out this dough a little bit. Peel off the plastic covering the tattoo. Now we're gonna add water. Using this little tool, I'm gonna press firmly and wait for the transfer. Let's see if it's done. And it's done. Now I'm gonna use the little cutter. Cut. And place this little princess in the base. See, we just made a little princess. Now let's make a pony. For the pony, we're gonna use blue dough. Again, this dough feels a little bit dry. Here's the pony. Let's apply the water. Press and wait for the transfer. Now we use the cutter. And the pony is done. Let's place it in the base. Time to make another princess. This time we're gonna use white dough. Let's roll out this dough. Here's the blue princess. So remove the plastic, place it in the dough, and add water for the transfer. Press and wait a little bit. Let's see if it's done. Now we cut with the princess cutter. And we just have to place this princess in the little base. Now she's standing up. Let's make the other pony. For this other pony, we're gonna use pink though. It's a beautiful color. And here's the orange pony. Press. Remove the paper. Make sure the transfer is all done. This little pony did not come out as perfect as the other one. Let's cut. And place the pony in a base. Now you can display the ponies and the princesses in the castle, one at a time. Now let's see if these little stamps can be transferred into Play-Doh, because we're gonna make Queen Elsa a beautiful dress with these designs, including a frog. So we're gonna start by rolling out white Play-Doh. Now we're gonna transfer all 3 stamps. The frog's gonna go first. He's gonna be in the front of Queen Elsa's new dress. Now time to transform this Play-Doh into Queen Elsa's beautiful dress. Wow, Queen Elsa's new dress looks amazing! Time to give Princess Anna a new dress. Princess Anna's dress is gonna be pink. Now let's mold Princess Anna's new dress. And now Princess Anna also has a new dress, just like Queen Elsa. But I think Queen Elsa's dress looks better, because I love the little frog. Now all we're missing here is a prince. For the prince, we're gonna use blue dough. See, the stamp magically disappears into the dough. Let's roll it out. Here's the prince. Add water. Press. Remove the paper. And cut. You see, we have here a little prince. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more magic fun dough and Play-Doh. Hey guys, Disney Collector here, and today we're gonna open Throw Wedding Gift Set from Frozen. This little gift set comes with Kristoff, Princess Anna, and 2 throws. Princess Anna, Kristoff, one little throw, and number 2. These are tiny little dolls. Princess Anna is the same size as a Magic Clip doll. This green cape is made of plastic and it is removable. Princess Anna's little blue skirt is also removable. She comes with black boots and she can play princess dress up with other Magic Clip dolls like this Ariel. Now Princess Anna has a brand new dress. And look, it fits perfectly. Kristoff's little green cape is also removable. Let's give Princess Anna other dresses, like her green dress from the movie. She's also gonna try on Queen Elsa's beautiful blue dress. Princess Anna always looks beautiful with anything. Let's give Queen Elsa Princess Anna's green dress. And now Princess Anna's gonna wear the blue dress. I think this is gonna look really beautiful. Wow, it's a great combination. Time to open some surprises. First surprise is a Peppa Pig Clay Buddies. This is Susie Sheep, checklist, and pink clay. It's so easy to make these clay buddies. Disney Fairies Kinder Surprise. Kinder Chocolate. A fairy. And a flyer. Her wings sparkle. Donald Duck Chocolate Surprise. Milk chocolate. And we just got Donald Duck. And one flyer. Chupa Chups Chocolate Surprise from My Little Pony. Whoa, chocolate explosion here. Let's check out the toy. This is Rainbow Dash. And a flyer. Sophia the First Fashion Surprise. This is Clover the rabbit. He's super squishy. Shopkins Basket Surprise. One and two Shopkins. Shopkins shopping checklist. And a basket. First Shopkin is Fiona Fries. And second Shopkins is Cheesy Louise. Now get ready for the Play-Doh surprise. Red Play-Doh. And this is George, Peppa Pig's little brother. With this red Play-Doh, we're gonna customize a brand new dress for Princess Anna. This time, Queen Elsa is gonna be the bridesmaid. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Frozen and Toy Surprises right here on Disney Collector.